what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Doc's Practice Room. My name is Arian Land. So glad you took the time to swing through for another great lesson. So I'm excited for today because we're going to be back on our hi-hat again, with a little bit different type of spice today. So we're going to be looking at number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to accent the like the downbeat of every beat. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's put them in time. All right. So let's go 50 BPM. All right. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready and play and. Now we got to put this kick drum within the mix. And 1, 2. Let's do it with the hi-hat and the snare drum, all right? So run round, 2 rounds hi-hat by itself, and then we'll sneak the snare in. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Now we got to connect all this together. So a couple of rounds with the hi-hat, sneak in the bass drum, and then we'll sneak the snare in there. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, now, so let's take another round. Let's start everything together. Right on it. Take it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready and go. All right, there you have it. So it's all together. We got the hi-hat, we got the bass drum, we got the snare in there. So we rocking and rolling now. All right, let's push it up on to 70 BPM. All right, let's try that. All righty, that's 70 BPM. All right, now make sure you take your time and make sure put your metronome on those 16 note subdivision. 1 E and a 2 E and 3 E and a 4 E and make sure you line it up. Make sure you line those up. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Make sure those 2 16 note are lining up. All right, let's book it on up to 90 BPM. there you have it. We're at 90 BPM. We got 2 more rounds to go, 110 and 130. Hang in there and keep pressing. Now, again, if you can't get them this fast, you know what I always tell you to do? Get where it's comfortable for you and everything is clean, and then make your way on up, even if you have to go 2 BPMs or maybe even 1 BPM per day. You just want to make sure you keep it clean and make sure everything sounds good. All right, here we go. 110. Let's get to 110. All right. That was 110. Keep going, keep pressing, keep going, and make sure everything staying clean. 130. Here we come. Now that one, even for myself, right? I had to concentrate because I had to make sure I dig in. I had to dig in a little bit of the gusto to make sure I can reach that and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. I had to dig in to make sure I get the and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Yes, it's going to take some work. So can you get past 130? Yes, you can, but it's going to take some work, right? So I don't know why you would need it that fast after 130, but there may be some music that calls for it. So I don't know all the music that's in the world. So there may be some music somewhere that calls for that, this type of drumming. So anyway, go slow and work your way on up to 130. And if you want to get past 130, have at it, have fun, be a champion, and go for it. All right. Listen, again, I'm very honored that you stopped by. If you made it this far to the end of the lesson and still watching me, I am very grateful. Listen, I am very honored. So thank you so much again. All right, so you take care, and I'll see you in the next lesson, and have an awesome and amazing day. All right, peace.